Did you know you can multiply by 25 in just a few seconds without using a calculator? And the best part is, the logic behind it is actually very simple. Let's work through an example. Suppose we want to calculate 36 times 25. First, divide 36 by 4. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. Now multiply the result by 100. In other words, simply add 2 zeros to the end. That gives us 900. But why does this work? Because 25 is actually 1/4 of 100. So multiplying a number by 25 is the same as dividing it by 4 and then multiplying it by 100. And multiplying by 100 is as simple as adding 2 zeros to the end of the number. Let's reinforce the idea with another example. What is 84 times 25? First, divide 84 by 4. That gives us 21. Now multiply 21 by 100, or simply add 2 zeros to the end. The answer is 2100. This shortcut works especially well with numbers that are divisible by 4. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video to support our channel.